Hello everyone, so today we will be teaching you all on how to make a rain gauge. First of all, what we need? We need a plastic bottle, a blade, a scale and a permanent marker. So let's get started. First, with the help of the blade, cut the top of the bottle. So after cutting it, we will get this and this. We don't need the bottle cap, so we can throw it away. Then we need to keep it like this. We need our scale and the permanent marker. With the help of a permanent marker, make a line after every centimeter. Then attach the top to the bottom and our rain gauge is ready. If you like the video, kindly press the like button and subscribe us. Don't forget to press the notification bell and thank you.